Imagine peering into the heart of the sun and seeing its secrets in more detail than ever before. Sounds like science fiction, right? But thanks to a groundbreaking new instrument at the Daniel K. Inouye Solar Telescope in Hawaii, that's exactly what scientists are doing right now. The star of the show is the Visible Tunable Filter, or VTF, installed by the Institut für Sonnenphysik in Germany. This isn't just any camera. The VTF is an imaging spectrometer, designed to uncover the tiniest magnetic structures dancing across the sun's surface. How does it do that? Well, it uses two ultra-precise Fabry-Pérot interferometers. Imagine scanning sunlight with such accuracy that if this tech was scaled up to the size of a 30-kilometer lake, its surface would only have bumps less than a millimeter high. That's mind-blowing precision. The VTF just captured its very first high-resolution images at 2 wavelengths, and let me tell you, the results are stunning. Every observation session, this instrument records about 12 million spectra. Yeah, you heard that right. That mountain of data helps scientists figure out the sun's temperature, pressure, wind speeds, and even the strength of its magnetic fields, layer by layer. Why does this matter? Because the sun isn't just a pretty face in the sky, its eruptions can unleash massive geomagnetic storms that knock out satellites and disrupt power grids here on Earth. By capturing rapid-fire images and analyzing all that data, researchers can now predict these solar outbursts more accurately than ever before. It's like having a supercharged weather forecast for space. This international project brought together leading scientists and high-tech companies from around the globe, and with DKI's gigantic 4-meter mirror nestled high up in Maui, we're seeing the sun in unprecedented detail. So next time you look up at the sky, remember, there's a whole new world of solar secrets being unraveled, one high-res image at a time. Stay curious.